Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This side dietitian Siba Zahid and you are watching my official YouTube channel by dietitian Siba Zahid official. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss some basic and important quantities of physics, their units, symbols and dimensions. But first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications of my all videos. So without wasting your time, I'm starting today's lecture about quantities of physics. So guys, watch the video till end. First of all, we will discuss what are physical quantities. Those quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. ऐसी क्वांटिटीज जिन्हें हम मेजर कर सकते हैं उन्हें हम फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लेंथ, टाइम, टेम्परेचर एक्सेट्रा. Physical quantities are also called foundation of physics. On the other hand, the quantities that can't be measured are called non-physical quantities. ऐसी क्वांटिटीज जिन्हें हम मेजर नहीं कर सकते उन्हें हम नॉन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू ईट पिज़्ज़ा, यू कांट मेजर हाउ मच टेस्टी इट इज़. अगर आप पिज़्ज़ा खाते हैं तो कोई आपसे पूछता है ये कितना टेस्टी है, आप कहेंगे बहुत, वो कहेगा कितना बहुत, लेकिन हम मेजर नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए इन्हें नॉन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कहते हैं. Moving on, now we are going to talk about types of physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities, base quantities and derived quantities. First of all, we will discuss about base quantities. The quantities that do not exist from any other quantity. They have their natural existence is known as the base quantity. For example, length, mass, temperature and time. On the other hand, to talk about derived quantities, the quantities that are derived from base quantities. एक या दो बेस क्वांटिटी कंप्लीट हो कंबाइन हो तो वो बनाती हैं derived quantities. फॉर एग्जांपल एरिया, लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई विथ is equal to area. Two quantities combined to give us the area. Now we are going to discuss about base units. The units of base quantities are known as the base units. For example, meter, kilogram, Kelvin, second, etc. Now we are going to discuss about base quantities, their dimensions, units, SI symbols. First base quantity is length. Its dimension is L and its unit is meter और सिंबल इज एम. स्मॉल एम मीटर की सिंबल है. उसके बाद मैस, डायमेंशन इज एम, यूनिट इज किलोग्राम और सिंबल केजी. टेम्परेचर, डायमेंशन इज क्यू, यूनिट इज केल्विन और एसआई सिंबल इज के. नेक्स्ट टाइम, डायमेंशन इज टी, unit is second and SI symbol is S. Moving towards the derived units, first of all I will tell you about what are derived units. The units of derived quantities are derived units. For example, Pascal, Joule and Newton. Today I told you about derived quantities, their dimensions, units and symbols. First derived quantity is force. Its dimension is mLT2. Its SI unit is Newton, kilogram, meter, second per square. Next one is pressure. M L minus 1 T2. Its SI unit is Pascal, which is also expressed in Newton meter per square. Next derived quantity is stress. M L inverse T2. SI unit is Pascal, Newton meter square. Energy M L 2 T2. SI unit is joule, Newton meter. Quantity of heat ml T2 T2. SI unit is joule, Newton meter. Work ml2 T2. SI unit is joule, Newton meter. Moving on to talk about some other derived quantities are power. Its dimension is ml2 T3. Its unit is watt. SI unit is joule per second. There are two types of viscosity, dynamic viscosity or viscosity kinematic. First, we will talk about dynamic viscosity. Its dimension is ml minus 1 T1. Its SI unit is Pascal second, PAS. Now talking about viscosity kinematics, its dimension is L2 T1. Its unit is square meter per second. Symbol is M2S minus 1. Now talking about specific heat, its dimension is L2 Q minus 1 T2. Its unit is joule per kilogram Kelvin. Joule, kg inverse, Kelvin inverse. It's the symbol of joule per kilogram per Kelvin. To talk about some other derived quantities, first one is area. Its dimension is L2. Its SI unit is square meter. Symbol is M2. Next one is volume. Its dimension is L3. Its unit is cubic meter or its symbol is M3. Next one is velocity. Its dimension is LT inverse or its unit is meter per second. Symbol is ms minus 1. Next one is acceleration. Its dimension is lt2. Its SI unit is meter per second square or its symbol is ms minus 2. Now talking about the last quantity, that is density. Its dimension is ml minus 3. SI unit is kilogram per cubic meter or its symbol is kg m minus 3. Hope all of you understood it very well. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. For more videos, subscribe my official YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram by Dn.Haseeba official. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.